안녕, welcome to KMS. In piecewise functions, what happens to the limit exactly where the expression changes? Let's figure it out together. Here's a function f of x. We are using a different expressions before and after x equals 1. Let's number the expressions. Well, what is the limit as x approaches 1 f of x? To find that, we need to check the left-hand limit and the right-hand limit. For the left-hand limit, which one will you use? As x approaches 1 from the left, the x values are still less than 1. So, we use the first expression. Now, plug in x equals 1 into this expression, which is 1 plus 1 equals 2. Now from the right, the x values are greater than 1. That means we use the third expression. So the right-hand limit equals 2 plus square root 1 minus 1, which is 2 plus square root 0. That gives 2. The left-hand limit and the right-hand limit are the same. So the limit as x approaches 1 equals 2. Now, what is f of 1? That's the y value when x is exactly 1. So, we just use the second one. That means f of 1 equals 1. Even though f of 1 is different from the limit of the function still exists. Try the next example. The first expression is defined when x is less than or equal to minus 2. And the second one is defined when x is greater than minus 2. So, what is the limit as x approaches minus 2 from the left? We are approaching minus 2 from the left. Since these x values are less than minus 2, we use the first expression. Now, if we plug x equals minus 2 here, we get minus 2 squared plus 2 times minus 2 plus 3, which is 4 minus 4 plus 3. And that gives me 3. Now, let's check the right side. As x values minus 2 from the right, the x values are still greater than minus 2. That means we use the second expression. So, the right-hand limit equals 2 times minus 2 plus 5, which is minus 4 plus 5. And that gives me 1. The left-hand limit and the right-hand limit are not the same, so the limit as x approaches minus 2 does not exist. Now, what is f of minus 2? We can see the equal sign here, so we just use the first expression. Plug x equals minus 2. Then, it's the same as the left-hand limit. I hope this helped. See you in the next video. Bye!